In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use the Relume Figma Kit to bring your AI-generated Relume designs directly into Figma, fully structured, editable, and ready for high-fidelity design work. If you're creating websites, wireframes, or client layouts, this workflow is going to save you hours. Let's get started. First, open your Figma design file. Once you're inside, look toward the bottommost toolbar and click on the Actions menu. This is where you can access all your plugins, widgets, and community resources. Click Plugins, and from the list, choose Relume. If you haven't installed it yet, search for it in the Figma community and add it before continuing. When the Relume plugin opens, you'll need to log in. Logging in connects your Figma file to your Relume dashboard, so the designs you generate online will sync into the plugin automatically. Once you're logged in, you're ready for the next step. Now switch over to the Relume web app in your browser. This is the place where you generate your designs, either using AI or by assembling sections manually. Type your prompt, choose your structure, generate your page, and refine it until you're happy with the layout. Relume will build your wireframe or website section by section using their component library. Once your design is generated in Relume, you don't need to export anything manually. Instead, go back to Figma. Open the Relume plugin again in Figma if it isn't already open. The plugin automatically syncs with your Relume account, so the moment you return to it, you'll see your newly generated design appear right inside the plugin panel. From here, simply click on the generated page or section you want to import. The plugin will place it directly onto your Figma canvas using the official Relume Figma Kit components, clean auto layout, organized layers, responsive frames, and fully editable text and shapes. This workflow gives you the best of both worlds: fast AI-assisted generation inside Relume and complete design freedom and refinement inside Figma. Instead of rebuilding wireframes manually, you get a structured layout ready to customize. And that's it. Open the Actions menu, run the Relume plugin, log in, generate your layout in Relume, return to Figma, reopen the plugin, and your entire Relume design is waiting for you, ready to drop into your project.